Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2002 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Standard. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2002 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Standard with 17,570 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket TRIKE kit, Python mufflers, a primary cover, timing cover, fuel door cover, headlight and passing lamp visors, a tour pack, and reverse. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the ELECTRA Glide puts 67 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the ELECTRA Glide has a 180 to 220-mile range. It has a 30.7-inch seat height, and in stock form, an 849-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and both rear tires are at 730 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 3 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.